Catch a fish, bro. Leave some for air.
Yeah, I got you.
Catch a fish, bro. Leave some for air. Oh, that's a big one.
Damn.
Get both on there. Get both on there.
Damn.
Oh, and he. Alright, bro. You like this one?
That's like a braid.
You see that hook? That joint was heavy as shit. I think it was in them lilies, that's why. You see your drink? It's easy to use.
Go, oh, what's that? My back's up.
Oh, your other part is not in here, cuz. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, cuz.
Your heart not in
See this thing, boy.
What's up, man? You alright?
2.7? Nah, I won't say that. I'll say like
2 pounds 4 ounces.
2.2.
2 pounds 2 ounces?
Yeah.
You walking over there?
Yeah.
Wake up. He up. Trust me, he up. He know what happened to him. Damn, what's that on the bottom of his tongue? Herpes?
2.0. What? 2 pounds even, cuz.
Dude, this got herpes?
My bad, my bad.
Yeah, herpes?